Today I have a really good recipe for you all, and this one was highly requested. I would say from the beginning of my channel, and in recent times on Instagram, you all have been asking me a lot for this. So today I'm gonna share with you all my recipe for rice cake. How long have you all been asking for this? It's a really good recipe. So to make this, I'm using pre-bought puffed rice because it's readily available here in the US. If you're in Trinidad, you can use that parboiled brown rice, and to puff it, all you have to do is fry that and it puffs up really well. And I got that tip from a fellow YouTuber, Navid. Now to bite into it. I don't know if you all can hear that crunch. It's really, really crunchy. Delicious.
So to make this, I have here jaggery, which is unrefined cane sugar, and oil fried puffed rice. You need to get the oil fried one, and this is available from the folks at Royal Bengal Trading, and I'll leave their information in the description box. So to a saucepan, I'm putting in 8 ounces of jaggery or unrefined sugar. Next, I'm going in with some water. You just want like about 1/2 cup, not too much. You're gonna put this onto your stove and allow that jaggery to melt. It will take a while because it is a hard clump, and guys, when you're buying the jaggery, make sure you buy the lighter version, not the dark version. If you buy the dark version, your rice cake is going to have a really dark color. So once it's melted and it's bubbling away like this, you're going to go in with some food coloring of your choice. Now today I'm making 2 sets, but I'm only going to be showing you the yellow set on camera. So I'm going in with some yellow food coloring. To make a different color, you just switch out the coloring. It's the same steps. Mix that in, and then it's ready to be used. So all you have to do now is pour it over your puffed rice, and you want to add a little at a time and mix. Now I'm using the entire package of puffed rice. You don't want to add too much, you just want enough so that the grains are nice and sticky. And I actually used out all of mine for this. And all you need to do now is mix, mix, mix until it coats each rice grain. Once it is mixed in, you're going to pour it into the pan you want this to set in. I like placing a piece of plastic wrap so it doesn't stick. And you're going to take something smooth like a mallet, a meat mallet, and press down on those grains. This is what's going to help that rice grain stick to each other. Now when it's hot, it's going to not stick as much, but as you allow it to dry, it's going to firm up, harden up, and after a couple of hours, it's going to be perfectly set. So once it's set, or just before it's set, you're going to go ahead and cut it into strips. When you finish, cut them into the shapes that you desire. You're going to leave them in the same tray and allow them to set up. If you were to try to remove it right away, it will fall apart on you. That sugar or jaggery is going to get really, really crystallized after it's dried, and it's going to help hold the rice cake together. You see how the pink one is a little bit tedious to cut? That's because I cut the yellow one and then I did the pink one. And then the more you hit on it to stack that rice, the better it will come out. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Very easy and simple to make. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys another day with another one of my recipes. Enjoy!